All right, yes, you're welcome back. Still on top of your balanced diet of entertainment this early morning. And it's a very bright and beautiful morning inside the studio. Because why? Because we get a very, very confirmed, young, intelligent entrepreneur right now. And she be somebody where you yourself, you need to sit down, learn a lot of things from. Because even me when inside studio, my ear don't turn that to hear all the better gist we should get for us. Now, her name now Mojirade Felicia Beko. And she be person where don't they inside the food fast-moving consumable goods that na FMCG, because the one way she they do now the one where they enter our mouth or they chocolate well. Now she don't start this business since 2011, and as you see, she be person where she don't, at least for now, she has experience. So you wait out there, she go tell you something where you yourself you go need to put your ear down, because she tell me one thing will make my ear stand. Wait for some of us, there's some as excuse say I never sell before, I never ever sell, I know sabi sell, selling is not my thing. She never ever do this kind of thing before. She ventured into and look at where she is today. Help us welcome into the studio, Miss Felicia. Good morning, Felicia.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good to have you in the studio. Now, just quickly, our top story for today concerns the state of IDPs, internally displaced person, where Boko Haram don't actually send come off from their village. And now most of them, they come outside talk, say, according to report, they say most of them, they go into prostitution because they don't get any other means on how to feed. Now, people where they go into a lot of badness because they don't get any other means to feed. Is that a reasonable excuse?
Not at all.
Oh, why are you talking?
I was still sharing with someone, was it 2 days ago, that it's only lazy people that will suffer in Nigeria. Anyway, if you can't think, if you can't walk, if you are lazy both mentally and physically, you will suffer, and you keep giving excuses for your actions.
Oh, giving excuses.
But they will tell you, say, the economy, money not the economy.
The recession
I need to they kidnap. I need to they do TV.
I need to they thief. I need to they kill
If you
people.
feel sweep and wash, people will pay you.
Oh, that is too low for me. Me, wait, get
Sometimes you humble yourself. Sometimes I do things that, okay, it's not what, even these chips, I never knew I could sell. I just stumbled into it. As in, I didn't plan. I'd only wanted to work in the hotel. I studied hotel and catering. Okay, so I'd only wanted to work in the hotel, the front office. But after service year, I went back to where I served, the hotel I served, but I was not given opportunity in the front office I wanted. I was asked to go to the kitchen, which I like cooking personally. My family, they know me. I can be in the kitchen if I'm free, morning to night, no problem. But I just prefer the front office of the hotel. But I was asked to go to the kitchen, so I just said, no, let me just go and do what is in my hands. And sometimes after I went with myself and some of my friends, I took them there. They employed them. They didn't give me employment. So I just went to what I could do with my hands. And this is part of what I do.
All right, we're going to need to leave the phone lines open now. You know, say na Wazobia TV there, and people they always call to ask questions, to even give their own contribution on top of this matter. So our phone lines they officially open right now for you where they're out there. For you, we want call. Ask Miss Felicia. She's a miss. That one means she's a single young lady. Ask them how should they do them? How should they do the business? Or waiting you yourself you they face for inside your own business for inside this recession right now. And the phone numbers na 012772195. That be na 012777195 or 012778195. Our toll-free number there for you to call us. That's na 0800 Wazobia TV. Now, Miss Felicia, I get you get some statistics I want to bring out now, because manufacturers across the country, they don't come outside, they lament. They talk, they complain, say the economy is right now is nothing to write home about. According to Manufacturers Association of Nigeria, they say at least 222 small-scale businesses, they don't close shop. And based on this one now, about 180,000 jobs are gone in less than 1 year as a result of the situation where they happen. Now, fortunately for you, your business is still they thrive. How you they take do for this recession, this critical point in time, so that you even get variety? How manage? How do you keep up?
I'll start by saying thanks to God. Because sometimes if you don't have enough strength to do something, you will fail. And I'll be sincere with you that I actually stopped at a time. From May to June, I put production of chips on hold.
So what you be they do that time? Or you be get another work?
I be caterer now. I dey collect food.
So
I
get
just
another
venture on
thing.
my other aspect of catering. I cook for people like some people like Gbegiri Amala and Ewedu. It's one of our specialties. So
Which
I cook
thing?
for them Gbegiri Amala and Ewedu.
Ha.
With
Why did you do that? Why did you really do that to me?
Stew, as in shaki.
It's okay now.
Early morning now. Now early morning. Market
when
never open.
You know, my product is seasonal. Apart from the recession in the country,
Yes.
this particular plantain, one of our main products, one of our main ingredients is seasonal plantain.
Exactly.
In fact, from February this year till July and early August, it was so scarce and tripled the price. So I had to stop between May and July. I put it on hold. But some people were requesting, so I had to just increase the price. I
The
started
price of
selling
this?
Yes, it started with 500. Later, I moved it to 800. At that time, between that May and July, August, 1-2.
Wow.
Now, it's now 1,000.
This brings me to my next question. Because before now, you said I'm 800, I'll be 600.
800.
And
when
now-
I started, when I
When you
first started,
start,
it was
and now the
500.
thing actually now 1.5.
No,
How much it be now?
presently it's 1,000.
1,000.
But during that period, between May and July, I was selling it 1-2.
Because still taking clues from Luchi, manufacturers, they actually complain of low patronage, especially at a time like this, because people gas increase the price of their products or anything that they actually sell. How you take they keep up with your clients? Your clients don't reduce or they don't increase?
I can say my clients are increasing.
Increasing?
Yes, when I
Wow.
when I stopped May, people were calling me that I want chips, give me what I want. Some people prefer the one that is riper than this. So can you pay one to, I don't mind, just give me what I want. And we use cholesterol-free oil for our product. We don't use any artificial sweetener. We don't ripen it artificially because some people put kaba to get the
Oh, they
plantain.
do?
Oh yes, people they put chemicals,
Yes.
different
We
kinds.
are particular about
Yes.
our customers, health.
So customer base, it not actually affect you with this recession, with increasing your price, nothing affects you at all?
They kept calling out to just give me what I want. I'll pay, So I was just producing on order for that particular period. But plantain is back now, although every other thing is
Gone up.
vegetable oil is now 14K. The
Wow.
original one, because there are 3 types.
So initially that 14,000 naira, on how much you be there before?
It was by this time last year it was 7,000.
It's
That's
times two
double
now.
of
I must
the
be sincere with
amount.
you.
Times two.
I was almost compromised, but I told myself part of our motto is integrity, cleanliness.
Wow.
I have to
This
say-
one will come bring me to the next question now, because this is not something where people they put for inside mouth, and we know say we get standards for now. We get organizations for inside Nigeria where they regulate this kind of products based on say you need to follow their due process so that you go figure their stamp on top of your product. Now, how you they go about with the process? Because some people don't complain, say it is so stressful.
Yes.
Some people say they are still working on it. So are you still working on your process, the
I've
process?
actually started with
Okay.
inquiry. I've not got it, but I've started.
You're still in the process, okay.
Because there are some people abroad, some of my customers that really want to sell this thing abroad, the
Okay.
chips. So because of logistics and the regulation and the stuff, I've not been able to get across to them.
So you
I've
already get
started.
market for exports. Now,
Yes.
they try talk now.
Yes.
Ready market for export
Yes.
of your product. Fantastic. All
But
right.
I need to put 1 or 2 things in place to get it started.
Okay, so before we go on, we get a call on the line all the way from OPIC this early morning.
Akpabio. Oh, no, the line
Oh,
actually
the
gone.
call. Oh, okay, but for you, wait there, the way one call us, just in case you just join in, our phone numbers for you to call us, contribute or ask our young lady in the studio a question. The control number is 012772-195, type in at 012777-7195 or 012778-195. Our toll free number there for you to call us. That's 0800 Wazobia TV. Now, I would like to ask you this next question will concern your processing. Because a lot of people, young people, like this, a lot of times, funds, they agree them to try and mechanize or automate a lot of processes. Now, this process of your business now, you get machine where they cut them for you,
Oh, it's manual.
or you they use your hand cut them, or you get people where you they pay
Okay.
to cut them for you down.
Presently, I do with another worker.
Okay,
I just
and
work
that's stuff
out-
where you get.
Yes.
Okay,
And we do manually for now.
manually. So manual
Yes.
now, what
As in we use slicer.
slicer?
Yes.
You
You
dey
know
slice and
I've-
put them for bowl, or you dey
No, I dey
slice
slice inside oil.
directly inside the hot oil.
Yes.
That one
So
no dey
it's more
too dangerous.
stressful, but
Yes.
it will get it. The outcome is different
Compared to if you keep
compared
cut
to if I
am
keep
up
it.
and
It will
down.
stick together. So mochona is slice and pour.
Okay.
Inside. So we slice inside oil. We are still going to get the industrial. It's part of our challenge presently, industrial, because we are not able to meet up our demand yet.
So you actually have more demand than supply.
Yes.
In this recession time, when people they come outside, they complain.
And because you actually stay consistent. Now, still talking about you in business as a woman, because we don't hear a lot of women give excuses. Oh, it's hard for women, especially in the business world. Is it really hard for you as a woman in the business world?
No.
So what would be some of the challenges for you face?
When I said I stopped the plantain chips, that I moved to my other aspect of catering, I had to think.
Before you actually explain further, like say Nike, I want to actually talk to you all the way from Lekki. Nike, good morning.
Hello, Nike, are you still on the line?
Hello, yeah, I'm online.
Good morning, Nike. Welcome to the show.
Good morning.
Good morning. Nike, you go help us. You go need to help us turn down the volume, off the volume of your TV set totally, so that we go fit hear you properly.
It's off.
All right, go ahead, please.
Okay, I want to greet all of you and to say well done to Mojirade.
All right,
Thank you.
The chiefs are fantastic.
Thank
Oh,
you.
My
okay.
husband and I also talked about it this morning.
Oh,
Thank you.
And I want to say that she said something when she started. She said, lazy people will suffer in Nigeria. And I can say it is true. So I think we should learn more from people like this. You can bring more people like this just to encourage young ladies out there. Even the IDP people that are turning into prostitution right now, they can learn skills, something they can do, liberate them so that they can get money to feed, which I think is important. Well done, good morning, Nigeria show.
Thank you
so
very
much.
much, Nike.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Nike. Thank you.
Grateful.
Wow, that's one of your customers.
Yes.
Of course.
Wow.
But still talking to us about
Yes.
the challenges of where women they face in business, and also, if not a woman, the challenges where you they face being a businesswoman in Nigeria.
Okay. One of the challenges is, in particular to my
Business.
Your business, yes.
Okay, presently we have very small workshop. I told you I like cooking.
Okay.
And I didn't start with chips. I started with chin chin. While I was in school, I would sell chin chin of different types, take to my lecturers and the stuff. But when I started chips took over, demand for chips. For now, I do chin chin on order. And my food aspect, so I write recipe, I cook. I like cooking and the likes. But everything is on hold because of chips. We always try to meet up supply, demands rather. So we had to, because of the small workshop, when we have catering work, chips will be on hold. Like December last year, I had catering work. I've been rejecting catering. I said, this one, I will take it. So I took the catering work, and plantains already there for production. So I had to leave plantain for like 2 days. Everything now got soft. And when it's soft, it's like a kind of loss to me.
Yes.
Because it will be more costly to produce. It will take time to be crispy. And that's what most of my customer wants. So the small workshop is
that's your
kind of,
major
yes, it's
I
challenging.
would like to ask at this point in time how much you use. If you remember the exact amount what you use, take startup when you be startup like play. Whether not the chin chin own or not the chips own, how much you be used take startup as at that time?
It's not up to 5,000, no.
Not up to 5,000 naira.
Yes, because I just told my friends, I'm a chorister in my church. I'm bringing chips tomorrow. I think I did like four jars. I just took to them as per chips. So, but the chin chin, that's why I said it's only when you are lazy that you suffer. I started with ever bottle. If I was just my friend some days ago, I started with ever bottle. I'll remove the label. My staff help me to get the bottle. I'll wash. Because I'm a very finicky person and I believe my customers are not seeing me, but I must be clean with what I do. Yes, because it's what they eat.
Before you go on, we get this call all the way from Yaba. Chris is on the line. A man on the line. Hello, good morning, Chris. Hello. Chris, you still there on the line?
Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to the show, Chris.
Thank you.
All right, Chris, you're going to need to help us turn down the volume of your TV set because they interfere with the way they relate with you this morning.
Okay.
you.
All right, Chris, you go try call us back.
All right, Chris, call us back.
Thank
All
you
right,
very
so
much. Should we
So
listen?
I was saying, I'll pour the chin-chin inside bottle. And
bottle.
you know it's strenuous. It's more stressful to pour inside bottle than
because
this kind of jar.
yes, because of the narrow.
So one of my style, she used to buy and give people. So she will now go to a cook, buy this type of and pour before, because it's more presentable. So one day she just told me, why not get this kind of jar and start putting, okay. Then it was still costly because I only had money for the ingredients. I never used to buy the bottle myself. I would get the bottle, I would wash and dry, you know. So that was just how I started, you know, I started from there before chips now
get
took over.
this part.
Yes.
So let's talk about social media now. How well do they make use of social media? Because that's the new media as far as I'm concerned. How well do they make use of the new media to promote yourself? Not just your chinchi, because you say they do begiri and
They do amala.
And they do food too.
they do food too.
Yes, I do write recipe.
how much do they use social media to promote yourself?
Actually, I'm guilty of that. And
Before
from
you go,
today,
before you answer that
Before you tell us you're being guilty.
Yes, I'm not being. I'm
Wow,
not
Fadeke from Mafoluku, you're going to call us
Oh, yeah,
back.
tell us, why are you guilty?
Don't mind me. I'm not. I just feel I'm not able to meet up demand yet. So why should I? That's what I used to think. But I'm going through a school now, business school, that is changing my mentality about business. You know, I told you I stumbled into it.
Yeah.
I never believed I could sell. I used to be a shy person, you know. But now I'm changing. So even social media, I'll improve. I'm not
You're
on
not a
Instagram.
gram.
I have a page, Facebook page.
But you're not very
but
active.
I've not been it. Yes,
You
I'm
never
not
use the
active.
business on
I'm
top
going
that.
to open it again.
You have to.
You have
now
to.
you talk something. You say because you say you're not be business person before.
Yes.
Now how you take actually manager? Because me, I dey always tell myself say I'm not a business person. I feel dash all my things out.
Without
because
selling it.
if Luchi just comes
When
say,
I
I
started,
don't
I
have
used to
money
give
now,
up.
please. Let me take it. Let me take it 2 months. Luchi
Okay.
don't go pay. How did you? How you take that disciplined?
It took time.
Oh.
Sometimes I produce, I'll give, I'll spend. But I just said until I think 2 or 3, 4 years ago.
All right, before you
I
go
kept-
on, before
Let's
we
speak
go, we
like
get
it,
a call on the line. We get Fadeke. Yeah, she's back all the way from
okay.
Mafoluku. Good morning, Fadeke. Or rather, we get Adiola. My bad. We get Adiola all the way from Lagos this morning. Adiola, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to the show.
You know the
I
person.
would like to appreciate the guest on the show this morning.
All right.
I really love our chips. It's so sumptuous. I mean, when you start eating a jar like this, you have to finish it.
Really?
I want to tell her, well done, and
Thank
God will
you.
continually lift her up
Amen.
and help her in all she does in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Thank you very much.
dear.
Thank you for your call. Thank you for your call.
All your
right.
fans
All
are
your
calling.
fans are calling this early morning.
Thank you.
Okay, now, so as a young person, you know, say, you get some places, if you there,
No,
you
see,
dey carry...
Luchi Sovio, she never tell me how she take the discipline though, because I'm going
Okay,
to go into a business very soon.
for we.
So how did you get to that point, please?
Because many times I'll start, I'll stop. I'll ask my sister again, give me money. I'll start. When I need money, I have to tell myself. By the time all the while I was seeking opportunity to work. But at the time I took like 2 people to the hotel where I worked, and they no agree give me employment. They gave those people, I converse, God, this way thing in my hand, I go be serious with them.
All right, we get Fadeke all the way from Mafoluku. She's
Okay,
back on the
Fadeke is
line, a very determined caller. Hello, good morning, Fadeke.
Good morning, everybody. Well
morning.
done. Good,
Good
morning,
morning.
team.
Welcome to the show.
We're enjoying you this morning. I'm just calling to encourage Jirade that what you're doing, I'm one of our customers and I enjoy our chips any
Thank you.
day.
Thank
What
you.
you're doing is a great work.
Thank you.
Please continue the work. Don't
right.
relent and take this business to the next level.
right,
You need to
thank
meet
you.
that demand. That demand is out there. I want chips.
Thank
Well
you.
done,
All right,
Thank you very
you
much,
very
Fadeke. Thank you
Oh,
very
you're
much.
still talking about discipline.
Yeah.
Yes, because
So by
she's
the time I
determined.
failed many times and I discovered I was not getting what I want outside there as per working for people, I just told myself I will be serious with what I have in my hands. So I had to start taking record. That was one of the things that is very crucial. When
Of people where they
no
owe you,
matter how
Bookkeeping.
small- Yes, even if you start the business with 2,000, write everything down. When you borrow for your personal use, maybe I borrow to buy credit to call my people, not for business, so write it down, take notes. You know, so I started doing that and I started keeping the money. Of course, no bank account then, you know, I was keeping it because that's what if I don't keep, I won't be able to use to buy ingredients for the next production. So I started with that and
So what about those where they owe you? As in, do people buy on credit and
Yes,
say,
that's one
I
of
will
the
give you.
challenges.
Challenges.
Yeah.
Having, especially early this year, people
Okay,
will buy
before
and
you
they'll
go
say,
on.
I'll pay on, I'll send to your account. They
You
won't.
go tell us more on top of that one, but maybe
Alright.
like so we get a call
It's
on the
hard.
line. Lekon is calling all the way from Shomolu this morning. Good
Lekon,
morning,
good
Lekon.
morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. You're welcome to the show, Lekon.
Good morning. Good morning. I just want to know the jar cost for like how much?
You want to know the
1,000.
cost of this?
1,000. It's
Just
1,000
how much?
naira.
1,000 naira.
Yes, please.
Okay. What about, is she not having the one in nylon so that please?
Smaller portion.
And no worry, we
Yes.
go drop
We go
all our
drop all
details
the
and you
details.
will actually confirm, meet her later on to find out more. Thank you very much that you call us.
That of jar.
Thank you,
Thank
Lekon.
you.
Now there's
Thank
a
you.
potential customer. All right, now, so I be one ask because, yes, you talk say bookkeeping is very, very crucial. How you they take manage when sometimes, because we know say for business, sometimes, especially for a person like you, where you know get any other, apart from the catering, you know, this is not one of your main source of income. How you they take cope if you no get money for your own personal phone, your own personal self, the money where they on ground, now business money. You they took hand for inside that business money at times, so it's not for personal.
I dey borrow. Sometimes I dey return. Sometimes I no
Sometimes.
return, but it dey my book.
Okay.
They record say Mojurade borrow so amount, so day from Jurade Ventures.
All right.
I dey note am down.
Okay, we get Omoniton from
Omoniton.
Abeokuta.
All the way from Abeokuta.
Hello, good morning, Omoniton.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning,
Morning.
welcome to the show.
Yeah, I'm fine.
All right, go ahead, do they hear
Just
you?
quickly.
I just want to make a comment on our product.
Okay.
Yeah, our product is very good, and I will encourage everybody to keep eating well.
Thank you.
Yeah, so she already has an impact on my sister already because she's now an entrepreneur.
Wow.
Yeah, so
That's very good.
I would like to thank her very much on that.
Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you for your call and your contribution. Now, you see, you don't the impact into people's lives directly or indirectly, even though some of them will be your staff. When they hear your story, they're encouraged to even stay in the business because you don't talk about how you stop for a while, but you still continue. Consistency.
While I stopped, I continue with my other aspects.
Other aspects,
Yes,
then you still pick up once again when the market don't come back. So really now for as a young person now, I would like to ask you this very tricky question. If today, one company call you, one of the dream companies where you don't wait for, call you, give you offer. You never even give me the question. Land. You don't
because
say-
I don't settle that already.
Because she has already
I must
settled in her
settle
mind that
yes.
no.
Oh, so you
Yeah.
so right now
I've been
no
in this,
work.
I've told myself I must get something great out of these chips.
Okay,
and
fantastic.
sincerely, these chips has gone to where even me have not been to. So
Okay.
with that, I don't want to just drop it aside.
Okay.
Let
Yeah.
me promote it and give people opportunity to work.
Fantastic.
All right, because I just actually taste your chips
But
now.
why you wicked? You taste and no way my own.
No, don't worry. I need to taste. I'm a good taster. Now, I want to know the challenges that they face in even making this chip because I know say some people they complain say it they very easy for you to do ripe one. I be which one
They're
they very,
easy to do the unripe
Unripe.
one.
They're easy to do the unripe one. Why
this
are
one.
they easy to do the unripe one?
Because it won't waste time before it's dried.
Okay.
It's unripe, it will be easy to slice.
Mm-hmm.
Unlike ripe ones, very stressful to slice. Especially
And because
the one,
you do
because I
manual.
have some customers that prefer the one. Do you know the Dodoikire? There's
The long.
No, the Dodoikire is much soft. It's made
Okay.
from soft,
Very soft plantain,
So I have
alright.
some customer that likes that. And how did it happen? I think I was not feeling too well. I
Mashed
thought
plantain.
so my plantain got
They
ripe.
match plantain.
Mashed
Yes.
plantain, yes.
It got ripe, so
Uh-huh.
I couldn't produce it on time because everything is on time. You have to be on time.
That's another challenge.
So
right?
it was so ripe that by the time I was now where I produced it was so soft. I started asking my friend, come and buy your Dodoikire, Dodokindo, Jirade, Kodiki. I was just, by the time they tasted it, that was what they prefer.
They
Most
liked
of them,
it.
they will not ask for this. That one, that soft one, that's what I want. I
Even me
said,
too.
before I was selling it, now the recession, has taught me that I can't sell this and that one
Wow.
the same price because
Okay.
it's more costly to produce. It takes more
Pricing.
time. It's stressful
More
to produce,
tedious.
to slice. It takes time. It will waste your gas before it can be, crunchy or before it can be dried. So it's more costly to produce.
All right, you get any, because of time, you get any message where you want to tell people where they're out there, people who want to start business, people where they're into business now, where don't nearly give up because of this recession,
Right.
and people where don't they inside business, but they look for how or somebody to just encourage them at this
And
point
also
in
people
time.
like me where they fear to enter business because I can dash out all my things.
Remove the fear, and so far your heart is set at it, go for it. Then those that are already in business, don't be too desperate to hire staff. That's one of the things I faced. Out of when I have large demand, people, I'll just go and get people. At the end of the day, I'll regret don't be too anxious. Don't be
in a hurry. Take your time.
Take your time and get the right people for the right work.
Oh, okay,
Don't be too-
fantastic.
Then your accounting is very crucial. I'm talking from experience.
Yeah, very crucial.
Thank you so much, Miss Felicia Ajirade, say you come into our
Wish you
studio
all the
this
best,
morning.
really.
Thank
Wish
you
you all the
so
best.
much.
And of course,
Thank
will they keep up to date with waiting they go and
course.
hire your business.
Bye, blessed
Fair.
chin-chin.
All
Thank you
right,
so
so thank you so much. We're going to
Thank
a small
you.
break right now. By the time we will come back, we'll still get other things going on the show. A very interesting morning it has been. Will they come back?
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.